Hey everyone, welcome back again to another tutorial on this channel. So in this one, we talk about how to save email from your Gmail on your iPad, right? So perhaps you want to just save a copy of it somewhere, or you just want to export it, right? So here's how you can do this. Obviously, the simplest approach is just to take a screenshot, and that way you have it saved as an image, but this may not be the best option. So what I would recommend you to do is to just locate the email which you want to save. And within this email, you have the three dots button to expand more options. On the Gmail app from Google, you actually have like two places to click it. So I would recommend you to click the three dots button in the top right corner entirely. And when you click on this, like a lot of options are going to pop up. And then what you can do is to click on the print all button. What this is going to do is that it will open up the printer user interface, which is like okay and everything, but we don't really want to print it. We only want to save it. So we're not going to choose any printer or any of these settings. Instead, in this like button and window which pops up, we click on the share icon. And when you click on the share, this is going to be able to be like exported as a PDF document. So what you can do now is to choose where you're going to save it. So obviously you can share it right away or put it to your notes or messages, but I would recommend you to just save it to your files, name it like, I don't know, whatever you want, like an export of your files. And then you will be able to browse it anytime you want, and everything, like every content of that email is going to be saved in there, right? So you can just check it out, and it has like a nice way of saving all of the files, like also the date, time, the recipient, the sender, and all of the text provided in the email. So I would recommend you to keep this approach. Let me know down below if you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.